at Apple, we are obsessed with breaking new boundaries. And today, we throw all of that out the window, and yet somehow, still break boundaries. We have found a way to sell the exact same iPhone a year later, changing nothing but the name, and sell millions. And we call it the iPhone 5S. The S stands for same.
We think you're really gonna love it. Take a look. Isn't it revolutionary? To create the new iPhone, we started with a design that we really loved and then stopped. The iPhone 5 has been hailed as the best phone of all time because people said so.
What this tells us is that people don't really want change. Their love for Siri proves that ignorance is bliss. They still want to go on unforeseen adventures with Apple Maps. And they still prefer the phone to auto hang up on phone calls with annoying friends. So it would be stupid to change what is already perfection.
The iPhone 5S is the best iPhone that we've ever created because of all the reasons.